मैं सविंदर कौर, मेरा जो इको हुआ था उसमें एक वेल्व की लीकेज आई थी, लेकिन बहुत थोड़ी थी। तो डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि शायद ये दवाइयों से ठीक हो जाएगी, लेकिन मेडिसिन से वो ठीक नहीं हुई।
It came to our knowledge that that leakage has become severe, and we were advised a procedure, mitral valve clipping procedure.
We decided that we will do a transcutaneous mitral valve endoscopic end-to-end repair. This is a non-surgical procedure where through the femoral vein we introduce a clip which goes across the interatrial septum and across the mitral valve, and there we grasp the two leaflets of the mitral valve which are prolapsing and causing the leakage or regurgitation, and we close this gap. Once we clip these two valves, then the mitral valve becomes a double structure and the leakage reduces significantly. So we did this procedure. It was very successful. Within a day, she was out of bed and walking around.
अब मैं काफ़ी पहले से बेहतर फील कर रही हूँ।
We are very grateful to Dr. Bhalla and his team.
डॉक्टर नीरज भल्ला का, उनकी टीम का और BL-Max हॉस्पिटल है, उन सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ।